Hello everyone, welcome to eezeelearn channel. So this channel is dedicated for exclusive learning content, especially for the school going students, and some of the other subjects also will be taught. So when I started this eezeelearn channel, my primary objective was to help the parents to teach their students, children during their free time. That is one of the objective. And the next one is I want the learning to be always available and easy for the students. So keeping this in mind, I'll be devoting some time and preparing content for various lessons and other subjects. So I have a kind request to parents and students. If you want to learn any subject and if you want videos to be created for those subject lessons, you can do any one of the following. Either you can take a photo of your lessons from your phone and you can convert them into PDF using any tool which is available on your phone, or you can directly send me the images also to this mail ID. The mail ID is thelively@gmail.com, or you upload all the files, that is the PDF or image files that you have taken from your textbook, and you can upload in your Google Drive and share me the access. Of course, you can intimate via the same mail ID which I have provided, so that I'll take a note of it and I'll start creating lessons during the free time. When you are taking the pictures, please keep a few things in mind. Uh, take the images very clearly so that it is readable. Don't shake the phone camera or whatever, so that I can read the text clearly from the lessons. So when you are sending a mail, you can specify which class, the board, whether it is CBSE or some state board, and which subject, and if possible, who is the publisher of the book for my reference. Currently, I'll be supporting English and Tamil as a medium. So I can read English, Tamil, and Hindi, the three languages. But for medium, only two languages are supported: English medium and Tamil medium. And Hindi as a language, I will be covering only as a language and not as a medium. So these are all the things that you can note. And in future, I'll try to see if I can support some other languages as well. But for now, only the two medium languages and Hindi as an additional subject as language. So that is covered. Okay. So like any other channels, I have these social accounts. So you can, if you are available in any of these channels, you can follow me for more content. So having said that, I thank you everyone for watching or listening to this carefully. I look forward to create more content to make your learning easy and enjoyable. Thank you once again. Have a good day.